Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Raki. In today's video, I'll be doing a review and demo of Wow Skin Science Vitamin C range. It's a complete 4-step skincare routine with great ingredients and an affordable price tag. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
Before we move on to the review, I must tell you about the benefits of vitamin C. This is something very commonly known. You might have read about it, heard about it, even on my channel itself. But I want to tell you the top 3 benefits which are more important to me. There are multiple benefits of vitamin C, but these are the 3 things due to which I include vitamin C in my daily routine. So the first thing is it inhibits melanin production. So it helps you in lightening hyperpigmentation, any dark spots that you got from acne, and it also evens out your skin tone and makes your skin tone a little brighter. So that is one benefit. Secondly, it is very rich in antioxidants, so it protects you from sun damage. It also soothes any kind of sunburn and diminishes any kind of redness that is due to sun. So if you're someone like me who goes out for office or something, vitamin C is a really good ingredient to include in your skincare routine. Now the third benefit is something that has come into my notice recently. As I grew older, we need to think about the anti-aging aspects of our skincare also. So vitamin C promotes collagen production, so it gives you firm and youthful skin. It also diminishes fine lines, so it will kind of delay your aging process, which is something that you can start from even your 20s, so that the aging process itself is delayed. So 3 top benefits of vitamin C which I personally love the most is 1, sun's production, 2nd, inhibition of melanin, that is lightening of spots and even skin tone and everything, and 3rd is its anti-aging properties. So with this, let's move on to why I bought this particular Wow range. There are so many products in market which are vitamin C related. They have vitamin C as one of their main ingredients, but I chose Wow because of certain reasons which I must tell you before I do a review and demo. Well, the first and foremost thing that I love about Wow Skin Science products in general is that they are free of any kind of harmful chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, no color, and they're dermatologically tested also. So they're not just a new brand that popped up in market with good claims. I have used many products and they are really good for your skin. Secondly, they are very affordably priced and they have a good packaging also. They do look luxurious. They come in huge bottles. So value for money, definitely. And they do have great ingredients. When they say vitamin C, they actually have 20% vitamin C and good quality vitamin C in their serum and everything. And they also have other ingredients which are really good for your skin, like hyaluronic acid or witch hazel. So seeing the ingredient list really makes me believe the brand and know that they are really delivering quality products. And now coming to this particular range, they also have a beautiful, refreshing, citrusy fragrance, and it is for all skin types. Most of their skincare products are, but this particular range is for all skin types. So no matter whether you have oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, you can go for this particular range. It will be suiting to your skin. Now another thing is during the corona crisis, we are trying to support Make in India products, and Wow is an Indian brand. They do manufacture locally and their headquarters is in Bangalore only. So that also is one tiny bit of why I like this brand. Now without any further ado, let's quickly move on to the demo. The first step in the routine is the cleanser, but I highly recommend a double cleanse if you have any makeup on your skin. So if you have applied any foundation, compact, even kajal or lipstick, accordingly you choose a method of removing that makeup. You can use a bi-phase makeup remover, micellar water, cleansing balms, cleansing oils. Depending on how heavy your makeup is, you can use any of these things before you move on to a face wash or cleanser. So once you're done with that, you can use this one. If you don't have any makeup, if you have just your skincare from morning time, you can directly go to this. I usually don't use any makeup on day-to-day basis at home. Most of us don't, especially in the COVID times. So you can directly go to this cleanser. This one has all the benefits of vitamin C. It is a 100 ml size, cost is 399 rupees. It comes with a special silicone brush. Well, honestly, when this came into market, these kind of brushes, I was very skeptical. I thought that they will be too harsh on the skin, but these are, guys, very soft and gentle on the skin. I usually have a Foreo, but many people don't. So this is very useful. It will help you in deep cleansing of your skin and going into your pores and removing all the dirt and grime easily. This is a foaming face wash. That means it lathers very well, but at the same time it is non-drying. It makes my skin very clean, but it doesn't dry it out too much. Now the second step of the routine would be a toner, and this one is alcohol free, which is something that you must look into while buying a toner. This is also having other things like lemon essential oil, orange essential oil, witch hazel and aloe vera extract. Witch hazel is something that is good for acne prone skin, and aloe vera is again hydrating. This is definitely overall very hydrating to your skin. A huge 200 ml bottle, and this is just for $3.99 again. It has a very fine mist. I feel very refreshed, and the skin is definitely very nourished after you use this. Now moving on to the third step, they have an amazing serum included in this routine. This not only has vitamin C, it has witch hazel and hyaluronic acid as well. It's a 30 ml size and cost of this is 699 rupees. This has 20% vitamin C, which is a very good amount. It will definitely bring results onto your skin. And this one has a gel consistency, so it's completely non-oily, non-sticky. It will suit all skin types. Even if you have oily skin, you can use this serum. Most of the serums in today's market are oil based, but this one is a gel consistency and it absorbs within seconds. It's very lightweight and it does the work. It does hydrate and it does brighten your skin and gives all the benefits of vitamin C to you. So I personally love this serum. Now the final step, the fourth step, is a moisturizer as usual, and this one has a great airless packaging. You can just push it like this and the cream comes up here. This has 50 ml of content and cost is $5.99, which is very reasonable and I feel very affordable compared to other brands in market. And this again has hyaluronic acid along with vitamin C. It says hydrating, brightening and anti-aging. This one again is non-greasy, non-sticky. It absorbs into skin very well, moisturizes your skin very well, and it seems like something that you can use in daytime also, because it's completely, the entire range is completely non-greasy, non-sticky. But personally, I would not suggest using vitamin C products during daytime. I would highly recommend using them as your night skincare routine, because it will work better and it's a very active ingredient, so it's not something that I suggest using during daytime. But still you will feel very light and your skin will still be moisturized even for nighttime. Well, after this entire range, my skin definitely feels very soft, supple, and over time it does show results. I've been using it only for a few weeks now, but I can already see some things. Like I had a small acne here. It didn't leave a lot of spot. Again, I'm having another acne coming up here. I'm not sure, but it might not leave a bad spot. I usually don't have acne issues or spots, but during my cycle sometimes, or when I use new products, sometimes I do some breakouts, so they do leave spots, and this has been doing well for that. I do have hyperpigmentation in this area and I do have dark spots also a little bit. So if you have these kind of issues, over time that will be reduced when you use vitamin C range products on a regular basis, and something that has good quality of vitamin C and a good percentage of vitamin C. So personally, I did love this range. I'm very happy to recommend this to all of you guys. If you feel you have skin concerns related to this, or you want these kind of benefits for yourself, then definitely try out this range. I leave a link to it in the description box below. They are very easily available. You can buy them from their own website, or you can get them on Amazon, Nykaa, anywhere. And they also come in combos where they have additional discounts on these. So if you want to buy the entire range, it will probably be a little lesser. So that is all for today's video. I hope you like this. If you want me to review more skincare products, do demos and reviews of more ranges like these from any brand, do let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy to do that for you guys. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.